Crouching by that stove, up the pole, shoot it up. Ayy, switch up on the Glock, make them hop.
Now, I don't know if people were shooting at them first. I really don't. But, dog, you got to do better as a father. Why do you have your baby late at night outside with 20 niggas? That's already the first red flag. Then, y'all in a mid shootout, and you got literally a baby, bro. Like, come on, bro. Like, just stay at the crib with your baby or something, but you got to be better, bro, because that's too dangerous. That's crazy.